shattering the throwing a ball or balloon in the vehicle myth. Many times, I have debated with others the idea that because one can throw a ball or a balloon in a moving car, that is a proof that the Earth is a spinning globe.
Bitch, what the? Oh! What?
In fact, one person claimed that because a balloon in a moving vehicle doesn't get slammed into the vehicle's rear window, this is a proof that the Earth spins with its atmosphere at a constant speed of 1,040 miles per hour. This ridiculous but nonetheless perceived idea that throwing a ball in a car proves the idea that we are traveling with the atmosphere at a constant velocity is easily explained. For those of you who understand thrust, drag and air pressure, you can skip the rest of this video. The idea that a balloon won't hit the back of a window in a traveling car is more of a structure issue far more than an environmental truth. Let us assume, for the sake air pressure, the vehicle is traveling at 70 miles per hour, all of its windows are closed, the vehicle interior is sealed from outside air pressures and natural forces. The reason a balloon traveling in a vehicle doesn't hit the vehicle's back window is because the air pressure that would apply drag to the surface of the balloon is deflected away from it. The structure of the vehicle itself deflects air pressure or headwind away the inhabitants, balloon included. They are called windshields for a very specific reason. The vehicle's thrust, generated by the vehicle's engine, creates air pressure the faster the vehicle moves. This air pressure is called headwind. This headwind is not directly contacting with the balloon's surface. The shape of the car and the windshield deflect that air pressure. In fact, cars are designed to deal with headwind as to be more fuel efficient. If the forces of headwind generated by thrust were allowed to contact the balloon and therefore the balloon's surface area, cross-section, it would create a tremendous amount of drag upon the balloon. The balloon itself does not generate thrust on its own. Because the pressure of headwind that is now being applied to the balloon's surface, it would quickly encounter overpowering amount of drag. The balloon, no longer protected by the car's air pressure deflection, would rapidly slow and come to a stop. If the common argument being that a balloon can travel at any speed in a car and not incur the penalty of drag proves anything, it proves the ignorance of basic physics. If this argument were true, the forces of drag would no longer apply to any object, at any speed. Kites wouldn't fly, sailboats wouldn't need sails, and aircraft could travel at any airspeed they so chose. That is to say, if the above argument was true, the operator or passenger of a vehicle could throw a balloon or ball out of a moving vehicle's window and it would maintain its velocity. We all know what happens when you throw a balloon or a ball out of a window. It rapidly decelerates and comes to a stop because of the forces of drag that have been applied to the surface area of the balloon or ball.